Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm gonna share with you the proper way I do to effectively remove long-wearing makeup on my combo-sensitive skin, especially with eyelash glue and tie lining. So if you're ready to achieve a fresh and clean face, let's jump right in. First, I tie my hair up and use a headband to keep the baby hair away from my face. For makeup remover, there are many products you can use like micellar water, cleansing oils, cleansing balms, makeup remover wipes, and cloths. I usually wear waterproof mascaras and long-wearing makeup products a lot, so I need something strong enough to remove all the makeup but still gentle for my sensitive skin. That's why I love using the Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm from Clinique. It does a very good job at removing makeup and doesn't irritate my skin at all. I scoop out an appropriate amount of the cleansing balm using my clean dry hand. This is how much I need for my whole face and neck. The amount may vary depending on the brand and the amount of makeup I'm wearing. Now I'm gonna rub my hands together to warm up the cleansing balm, allow it to melt, and it helps the balm spread easily and effectively dissolve the makeup. Then I gently massage the balm onto my dry face using circular motions. I focus on the face makeup first. I will go for the eyes later as those areas need more attention. Continue massaging for about 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring that all the balm covers all the makeup on my face and neck. I don't have to rub my face hard as it can irritate my skin. Just be gentle and let the balm do all the work for me. Makeup can trap dirt, oil, and bacteria on your skin. Leaving makeup on overnight can clog your pores, preventing your skin from breathing properly. This can lead to breakouts, blackheads, dull-looking skin, and even premature aging. That's why you should always remove your makeup before bed. After that, I remove the eye makeup. I close my eyes to avoid any product getting into them. I did tie lining my eyes and I had eyelash glue on as I wore falsies, so I need to spend more time massaging my eyes to really dissolve all the makeup. For the lashes, I use my finger to massage the lashes, starting at the base of the lashes and up towards the tips, making sure that the balm reaches all areas. I also push up my lashes from underneath, not just from above. It's just like when I apply the mascara to really get into every lashes. I'm spending a good amount of time doing this step as this will help to break down the mascara, eyelash glue, and also remove the tie lining. I don't want to leave any makeup residue on my eyes. Lastly, I remove the lip products. If you love using long-lasting or tinted lip products, you need to spend some time to really break down to remove it completely. Next, I rinse off the balm with lukewarm water and continue massaging to further emulsify the balm. I rinse my face thoroughly until all the balm and makeup are removed. I love this balm as it doesn't leave any greasy feeling on my skin afterwards. Normally, I will use a facial cleanser next, but I will do an extra step every time I wear falsies as the eyelash glue is really hard to remove and I want to make sure that the glue and the waterproof mascara are totally gone. You can skip this if you don't use the lash glue. I'm putting some micellar water from Roche-Posay on a cotton pad and gently massaging it on my lashes. This micellar water is for sensitive skin and doesn't sting my eyes as some others do. You can use the balm for this step, but I used the cotton pad for you to see that there's still some lash glue left on my eyes and why I need an extra step to make sure no makeup residue left on my eyes. On days I don't wear makeup and just wear sunscreen, I use this micellar water to remove the sunscreen. Yes, you have to remove your sunscreen as it may cause skin irritation and clog pores. Now I'm gonna wash my face with the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. I use 1 to 2 pumps for my face and neck. I rub my hands together to create a lather with the cleanser, allowing the cleanser to form up and distribute evenly. Then I apply it to my face, gently massage it in circular motions, and make sure that all areas of my face and neck are covered, especially around my nose and hairline. Be careful not to tug or pull on your skin. That may lead to sagging or premature aging. And for at least 60 seconds or more of gentle massaging to thoroughly cleanse the skin. I usually use my facial cleansing brush on the lowest setting to massage for a few more seconds, as I want my skin to feel super clean. It's just an extra step, feel free to skip it. This cleanser claims to remove makeup, but I just cannot rely on the cleanser alone. I always double cleanse for the ultimate result. After that, I rinse my face and neck thoroughly with lukewarm water. And now my face feels super clean and fresh. Then I pat my face dry with a clean paper towel. I use a paper towel because it's less likely to harbor bacteria or other contaminants compared to reusable towels or cloths. It helps maintain good hygiene and reduces the risk of transferring dirt, oils, or bacteria back onto my face. After using the paper towel, I will reuse it to clean the sink or something else around the house to minimize the waste. Lastly, I will apply my PM skincare if it's bedtime. But now it's only 4 p.m, so I just apply a thin layer of moisturizer on my damp face to lock in the moisture. The moisturizer I'm using is from Roche-Posay. Moisturizer contains occlusive ingredients that create a barrier on the skin's surface, preventing water loss through evaporation. By sealing in the moisture, my skin will stay hydrated for a longer time. I just gently massage it into my skin in circular motions and also upwards to help tone and tighten the skin. Let's have a look at my eyes. There's no traces of makeup or lash glue on my eyes. They're totally clean. And so is my face. Remember, never sleep with your makeup on. Always remove your makeup at the end of the day, no matter how exhausted you are. It's extremely important if you want your skin to stay clear and healthy. And when you don't wear makeup, don't forget to remove your sunscreen, as we are supposed to wear sunscreen every single day. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.